Hi 6th graders, today we are going to work on our IXL for 5.3. This IXL is Y.17. We need to add and subtract like terms. So we need to combine any like terms in the expression. If there are no like terms, then we just rewrite the expression how they gave it to us. Alright, so we have 3v plus 3v minus v. So I'm just going to write that down. 3v plus 3v minus v. So what we want to do is we want to figure out what variables we have. So let me get my highlighter. If you notice, we have a 3v, has a v. And we have another v. And we have another v. So since all of those are v's, we can combine them. Okay, so what we can do is we can take 3 plus 3 minus 1. Since there's no number in front of our v, that's just like 1. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So our answer is 5v. We need to make sure we're adding our v on the end. Okay, so 5v. Let's practice another one. This time we are combining like terms again. We have 4r plus 3r plus r. So if you notice, we have r's in all of these. So that means we can combine all of them. Okay, so to combine them, we're taking 4 plus 3 plus, remember, there's no number in front, so it's like a 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. But then we need to remember, not v, our r this time. So our answer is 8r. Moving on to another one. This time we have 4x minus 2x. If you notice, both of them have an x, so that means we can combine them. So we take 4 minus 2, which gives us 2, and then we put our x back on, 2x. I know I'm kind of going quick. If this is not making sense, remember to send me a message. Alright, let's do another one. This time we have 5j plus j minus 5j. So if you notice, they all have a j. So what that means is we can go ahead and combine them. So we are going to take 5 plus, remember that's a 1, minus 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then we add our j on. And 1j is the same as just j. Alright, and our next one, we have 5b plus 2b. Again, if you notice that our variables, they both are b's, so that means we can combine them. So we're taking 5 plus 2, which is 7, and then we put our b back on the end, 7b. Alright, I will do this last one with you. This time we have 4n plus n minus 4n. So again, they all have an n, so we can go ahead and combine them. So we're taking 4 plus 1 minus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and then we put our n back on. And remember, 1n is just the same as n. I'm going to see if you could put 1n, if it will still give it to you. Yes. Sweet. Alright, so that is our lesson on simplifying or adding and subtracting like terms. So if there is something that is still not quite making sense with you, please send me a message on Schoology so I can help you. Hope you have a great